But the marine insurance market in Italy is not yet back to pre-COVID levels, both in terms of premium and in terms of capacity. However, it's growing considerably, especially in the last couple of years. We are assisting at a return of a decent premium level in different areas of marine, both in hull and machinery and cargo and P&I. While on the capacity side, there are new players on the market. One is Revo, and which offers new capacity on both cargo and hull and machinery and third-party liability. And there's renewed capacity by traditional insurers that were already on the market, either Italian insurers like Generali, for example, or foreign insurers which have long-established Italian branches. We are assisting indeed at an increase, a gradual, gradually building up increased capacity and a slightly increase in premium. And that also applies to yachting, an area where premium were historically quite low and now are on the rise again, which is a good thing for the insurers, obviously, maybe less for the insured, but indirectly is even best for the insured in a way, you could say, because they can then benefit of better quality service and of course, a different type of attention by paying a higher premium. So I'd say, and I think these somehow mimic the global trend in a way in marine. Obviously, all these has the other side of the coin, which obviously is the fact that claims are on the rise again, and so we are assisting to a number of claims which are probably back to pre-COVID levels. So that's something, of course, that underwriters tends to manage in a different way than before. There's more, of course, smart working. So everything is, there's probably less, in a way, of a joint decision in claims. It's more the single claims handler making a decision. And of course, I'm not talking about larger claims or large and complex claims. Large and complex claims have follow a different path. But for the normal standard claims, of course, it's more a one-man decision often, and less jointly discussed. But still, the level of claims we see at least is on the rise, and it's more in-house they're more in-house managed and less outsourced in terms of claims handling, except where you have TPAs or loss adjusting realities that back up the capacity of the claims departments of the insurance companies, because in that case, then they will handle the claim on insurers' behalves. Yeah, we are seeing this trend in claims globally, but particularly in Italy, where of course we are based and where we have our main operation. But our feedback is that it's a global trend really about an increase in claims, and I think this is reflected also in a number of extra or supplementary calls by P&I Club in the P&I Club industry, and at the same time in report of major traditional European players like Allianz, for example, which publish regularly very useful and comprehensive report about the global and local trends and claims in the marine transport industry. And I think all these materials reflect the fact that we are assisting at an ongoing and growing number of claims, which is not surprise, because after COVID, of course, after lockdown, well, with the restart of the production activity and of the re-engaging of the insured in trading and business operation, then of course it was largely predictable that the trend of claims would have going back on a higher level than before. The the problem I see is that probably premium is on the rise, but it's not proportionally on the rise as much as claims are on the rise. So that might create a deficit in the future if the situation is not reversed.